mountains call, I hear an ancient voice. Beyond the mist, beyond the walls, the road is mine, my choice. The valley at the dawn, with only stars to guide my way. The chains of yesterday were gone. I found my heart beneath the gray. More creed, don't be afraid. Let the old dreams fade away. The wind will carry me tonight toward the open sky. I was born to be free, fields and ancient stone. I walk beneath the silver moon. Though I may wander far from home, the old songs lead me back again. More creed, don't turn away. There is light beyond the gray. Let the wild wind take your hand and lead you where you stand. I was born to be free, and if the night should call my name, I'll walk through darkness without shame. For every scar and every tear has brought me to this moment here.